Hi Barbie doors! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks so much for my video. Literally, I have no makeup today. I know my subscribers are so sweet, so I know you're not gonna judge my no makeup face. Today, I'm doing little DIY since I'm getting even more Barbie doors, so I wanna remove this nail polish rack and put another clear shelf for Barbie doors. My room is really small, so I don't want to put huge shelves. That's why I try to put wall shelf, looks more compact and slim. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I put these and how they look like. Recently, I really got cool stuff. It's like an electric driver, power drill. I got a pink one. For my DIY. I already love this. Let's do it. Don't ask count, but we can do it, Barbie doors. First, I need to take all the nail polishes off. Oh my god, this is so easy! Take it off. I'm gonna put two of these, like clear acrylic shelf. I got these on Amazon. These like here, or let's see. Actually, it's a bookshelf, but I'd like to use this because it also has a wall on the front side, so the Barbie won't fall off, you know. Just make sure you measure to have enough length for Barbie dolls. So original Barbie body is 11.5 inches, which is 29 centimeters, but I might put tall Barbie as well, so I would say 13 inches, which is 33 centimeters are enough to have just in case. Now I'm gonna drill the hole. Oh my god! This is so cool! Kakkoi! Put shelves on the wall with a screwdriver. Ta-da! So I recommend to get clear shelf, which the depth has to be like 3.5 inches, so you could put doors down. If the shelf was too thin, you cannot put the doors down. Please watch carefully the dimensions, detail about the products before you purchase. If you want to put doors more, you can put without stands. If you let them stand carefully, they don't fall off even without stand. Right now, I put Barbie doors kind of random, but I think I want to dress them all in pink and I want to make my own Barbie fashionistas. I think it looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.